How to unfulfill an order on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to unfulfill any order on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify store and you will land right here. So we get different orders on Shopify, but sometimes we want to unfulfill that order or we want to cancel it. So it's really easy. You can just go to your orders and it will show you the different orders that you have if you have fulfilled an order or any order that is in process. In order to unfulfill it, let me show you the steps. Simply open up the orders, click the number of the order that you want to cancel. Click more actions and then click on cancel. Manage any payment refunds. If there is a refund policy, then you can manage it. If you don't want the refunded items to be restocked in your inventory, then uncheck the restock items. Select the reason for cancellation from drop down menu. You have to select a reason why you are unfulfilling the order, why you are canceling it. If you don't want to notify your customer of the cancellation, then uncheck send a notification to the customer because it is set automatic that a notification will be sent to them. Then click on cancel order and you will be able to cancel or unfulfill any order on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.